painful, but you were forced to take this decision because of the internal issues that are happening within the organization.
Yes.
The mandate says umuntu omusha ebhalini then we become a threat whereby sesiyachuzelwa ukuthi ubani omele afakwe ubani omele angafakwe. Then us as young people nama guidelines lawa
isimo sokuthi mhlambe inhlangano entsha ebizwa ngokuthi MK Party umkhonto wesizwe party iyafomeka mayifomeka kanje like ama members amaningi aye asuka from ANC.
Correct.
Aya ku MK Party.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
I-ANC lapho ibe nenkinga nyana encane ukuthi okay we've lost members abaserious from ku ANC.
Correct.
Yes. Wenzeka lo kwenzakalako baphusha wabokhona abo GNU nani understand? Okay fine. Wabakhona
ukubabela bombe. So as a leader you can't never hit yourself.
Yes.
Kumele ukuthi
Serious. Yabo sikhona uku-advisana. Abanye mhlambe they
mina ngingumama wakhe nje indodana yami ubona
Emalahleni these days you can see ukuthi there's a high crime in terms of
all right 100 Spartans sanibingelela nonke babukeli emakhaya lapho sikhona phansi eWitbank eMalahleni specifically eWard 36 namhlanje babukeli sihamba nenkokheli yethu umholi wabantu abasha sihamba no CIC uSmera former chairperson ye-Youth League ye-ANC ongukuthi namhlanje kuningi esimlethele kona bafowethu. Yeah, ziningi izinkulumo zifikile izinkulumo kufikile ama-allegations kufike okuningi namhlanje sifuna ukurepha ubhuti wami lana uCIC Smera ugcine asuka lapho ebeka khona okuyinhlangano ye-ANC wajampela ngapha bathi sesithupheni service delivery party. Abantu abaningi bazibuza ukuthi kuze njani ukuthi asuke ngapha eze ngapha since naye bengomunye wama-candidates ngale ku-ANC. Namhlanje uthe ufuna ukuthi abese uchazela wonke umuntu obekahamba naye wonke umuntu obekamsekela kulo lonke lolu hambo ebekalihamba since naye baye-candidate yokuthi ufuna ukuba ikhansela lase-Ward 36 yabona. But angeke ngikhuluma okuningi uCIC Smera uzobe siyakhuluma naye ngoba namhlanje kuningi angeke sishiye umgcomo ungavulwanga sovula yonke imigcomo wonke amatshe siwaphenya uzobe siyachaza sawubona ntakababa
Mfowethu bangisahamba kanjani?
siyaphila kunjani mntu wami?
Siyaphila.
Namhlanje unama 100 Spartans siya-understand ukuthi uke wachaza ukuthi ufuna ukuthi nawe bese uyachaza ukuthi laba abahamba nawe ba-understand ukuthi yini indaba usuke wabo bese uyagwentsha mhlawumbe ukanye ukuthi uyasuka bathi uthe basho kanjalo bathi uthe hamba awudlalanga. Yeah, so i-confusion ekhona ukuthi manje abantu abaningi bazibuza ukuthi wona njengoba usuke washiya le nhlangano ye-ANC njengomuntu omkhulu owaziwayo ukubohola abantu abasha ube like unerole enkulu oyidlalile emphakathini namhlanje nawe uyahamba sicela bese uyachaza ukuthi kuze kanjani but before uchaza sicela ukuthi bese uyas-introduce mntakababa ubukeli.
No, thanks, Bones.
Yes.
The 100 Spartan and the more viewers in Makaya.
Yes.
Yeah, Ome Olana, Ekamara Muspusiso, Simpiwe Smer,
Yes.
Gabriel Masina, Ohlale 4064, Mpumelelweni, Extension 6, Omholi, we are Holabantabasha to the ANC Youth League 3 times. Being the chairperson of the ANC Youth League Ward Committee, Elapa Youth Development, because being busy very from the political space to the governance where Ramaspada serves as a Ward Committee under this portfolio ensure development.
Yes.
Yeah, former CPF, that the police station was former CPF.
Yes.
Even the current one was still there, though it's now almost formal structures of the CPF, but then because of certain parties
Yes.
were there on the field. Yeah.
Yeah. Comrade, UCIC, I understand that for a very long time you were volunteering, usevile lapha kule nhlangano ye-ANC. Abantu abaningi bakuthandile babonile imisebenzi yakho, but ekugcineni siyabona ukuthi ugcine unasoshiya izikhwama, ushiya yonke into yakho, like ushiya yonke, even sikhuluma ngezikhali zakho wabashiya kanjalo. Kuze kanjani, like sifike kanjani ekutheni unasuyasuka ku-ANC uya ku-SDP, like phecelezi kuthiwa i-service delivery party, service delivery. Yes, uye kanjani, yini mhlawumbe unobangela owenze yonke this whole thing?
Alright, yeah, again, thanks. Actually, thanks for the platform, Bones, 100%.
Yes.
I think you are asking a very important question.
Yes.
Whereby I think the decision, it was not an easy decision.
Yes.
It was a decision whereby it was painful, but you were forced
Yes.
to take the decision because of the internal issues that are happening within the organization.
Yes.
One, the organization has lost the identity. From before the ANC, what the ANC represented, the culture of the ANC. There's nothing to the you will be allowed to share your views. Being limited in an extent whereby it becomes dangerous for one to lead or being part of the ANC because of the challenges as we're experiencing there are huge.
Yes.
We love the ANC. It's not easy, but the suppression a corner, it's too much.
Yes.
The reason uthola one says chinchile sisigcoke enye amakhala from another organization, later the questions as much as bengena to the core, as I was highlighting what we've lost towards the ANC.
Yes.
Bones were no longer feeling free to exercise or to practice the politics within the organization. That's the first problem.
Yes.
Why, how? We've been there leading the ANC Youth League, whereby the ANC Youth League, it's stick or it assists or it's identity, it try to bring identity of young people towards the struggle of young people, because we're having struggle like your unemployment, you're having a struggle skill development, young people are not skilled.
Yes.
And so
Yes.
you're having young people who are business people who they want to involve themselves to business.
Yes.
These CKs, and some they've come from university, but from the reason CKs.
Yes.
You are leading them. And when you are leading them, we are facing challenges towards the leadership. Because more tinta labo corner the lama leadership, or where you try to influence decisions, you are becoming a problem as a leader. And we are leading these young people who wants to be part of decision making, want to be part of the development.
Yes.
Because where there's development, the people where there's development must develop, because the development is there to develop people. And then you'll find out when you want to meet the councillor,
Yes.
because the councillor ulapha governance, and mangalapha governance, where the services must be the one okhona ukunbiza understanding ukuthi the councillor mawe ANC uzongibiza ngitshele the leadership of the ANC, the leadership of the ANC Youth League, the leadership of the Women's League,
yes.
Even Sanko, even the ACCP, but don't know as an alliance. You
Yes.
ask yourself why.
Yes.
But you find out accent public participation.
When they was figure
Severe project. Remember, we are dealing with young people who are unemployed. We are dealing with young people who don't have skill. We are dealing with people who have interest in business. When this interest figure, you become an enemy.
Awuthi ngibamele lapho mfoka Smera. Njengoba bona ukhuluma ipoint lokuthi ayafika yes ngicela nje ukuthi ngihluke kancane bangazi babona ngathi mhlawumbe imithetho yileyo mhlawumbe isiphatha yileyo, but then uthinte ipoint elibaluleke kakhulu ukuthi ayafika ama projects elokushini, but then akubi khona lento esibiza ngokuthi i-public participant. Ezibobani ama projects? Number one.
This project is like Hlaleni. And then there must be public participation whereby
Yes.
the also contractor needs to do public participation.
Yes.
No councillor
Yes.
with the what committees.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
You want the public participation. Bayenza bobani, bayenza kulo mphakathi.
Yes.
But those things as in and mazingenzeki, us as young people, we need to some to have access to be part.
Because
And the reason the mangenzeki lama public participation and whereby the inclusivity of young people to be part lapha akutholakala ukuthi sithola sipart to those things, as much as when so nyathela amakhono ufuna lezi zinto, it's whereby you're receiving threats.
yes.
And when you're receiving threats, then what about the constituency leader? When as a leader, you understand, you're starting to face problem. And segmental divide and rule. Within that ANC Youth League, you'll find a division. Yeah,
Yes.
Against I once came to your podcast.
Yes.
Division within young people.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
So, one general the reason Sister is is the reason of we are no longer having the identity of the ANC whereby everyone must be involved as the structure of the ANC, or as the organization structures must be part and parcel of what is happening at branch, not normal election because normal election and keeper but then when there's development, then young people are no longer important. And then we find those challenges. You understand? As much as we said now as the ANC